Hello guys, Well, I've come over here to give a special message and a special invitation to you one and all. Well, on 25th of July 2026, the Ponda Parishioners UK in Swindon are celebrating their 9th annual Saint Anne's Feast. And all these years, the Ponda Parishioners, when they have celebrated the feast, they've made sure that they will bring joy and peace to every single person that they come and join to this. The Mass will take place at St. Mary's Church at 3 o'clock. And तितलंच न्हय, हे मिस करपा लागून कोण येता तुमी जाणाय? Aikai.
My dear parishioners of Ponda in the UK, greetings to each one of you. Last year around this time, I'd send you a message requesting you to come together to celebrate this most important event. This year, my message to you is that I will be there with you in person to celebrate this solemn feast. Therefore, the request of the community as well as my humble request to you is, let's come, make time, let's come together, let's celebrate the Eucharistic celebration as well as the social thereafter. May God bless you all. Thank you.
You all heard it right. Father Tony napna tonan sangla. Father Tony is coming down all the way from Goa. Father Tony is on ahlol amso igojeso padri. So he is coming down specially to celebrate this mass with us. And ede olde noshi amka kitle ki Father goya san ingayata amche barade miss korpa lagun. To celebrate this mass, it's such a good privilege for us that Father Tony is going to be here. And for that, he has passed his message to every single person. Yeah, not only for the फोनेकास but even the other communities for दुसरे लोकांपासून दुसरे गांवचे लोकांपासून के मिसा येवचे आणि भाग घेवचे म्हणून. That's not all guys. We have a special choir that will be performing for this mass, a Rhythmix Choir led by Vince Machado. वो choir जावन आसा भुरग्यांचो आनी इतली उर्बा वाडटा because this feast has been known for Saint Anne, who is the grandmother of Jesus. That's not all the thing. The thing is, we have a brass band as well. As you all know, we always have a procession that take place during the mass, and this procession is something like आमचे गोंय कशें कोत्ताय सारकें कशें को लायनीन वयताय पळय आमी सायडीच्या बोंद्यार बांदताय आनी सायडीच्या फादर चलोन वयता पळय ते भशेन आनी आमी ऑलमोस्ट गन आसताय एक फील एक वायब दुसरे भाशेन येता आनी हे प्रोसेशन करपा लागून आमचे बरोबर आसता स्पेशल ब्रास बँड आसतले. सो दिस इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम दॅट्स हॅपनिंग and the brass band is going to perform for the procession as well. Miss जाले उपरांत आमी थोडेशे स्नॅक्स वाडटले आमच्या लोकांकू. Yeah, so there will be a refreshment given out for our lovely people who join for the mass, and after that there will be dine and dance at Punjabi Community Hall starting at 6 o'clock. And to perform, we have a Goan top band that's coming to perform The Altitude. They have been well-known band. They have been performing in UK for a different events, but they have chosen also to come and play for us. So it's such a good opportunity to come in there and witness this band playing. Along with that, to entertain us, we have DJ Joel as well, who will be performing and keep us tap our feet throughout the time. And the MC for this event will be MC Alfa and MC Anthony. They are very good at their jobs, guys, and they will make sure that you are not resting on your chair but you are on the dance floor.
Hi, this is MC Alfa and I'm super excited to be hosting the Dine and Dance on the occasion of the Feast of St. Anne's on the 25th of July at the Punjabi Community Hall, Swindon. Bring your family and friends and let's have an unforgettable evening of delicious food, great music, dancing, fun and fellowship.
The entry for this event will be £15 and 10-year below kids will be free. So for the event we have a beautiful catering which is VS Caterers, who will be serving a delicious food for us. There will be drinks and snacks as well will be served over there. And with this £15 entry, we have a free buffet that you can enjoy. We have A&A who will be capturing the moments on his video. So we'll be having a video that will be taking place for capturing the whole event from mass until for the event that will take place in Punjabi Community Hall by AA Videography. So guys, one person cannot make any big difference, but together we can make a lot of difference, and this is all about. This feast is going to get us united all together, and we need your unity so that we come all together and celebrate, so that there is no any difference between us and anyone. So we just want everyone to come and have the best time, and we always have to enjoy the moment, and we leave the legacy always like this to keep our roots alive, to know that where we come from. So guys, before I end up, there are few messages that people have thrown out and they have said something. I am ready. Are you ready?
We're